Okay, so we discussed what is meant by fraction. So in fractions there are different types of fractions are there. So first let us discuss about proper fraction. So in a fraction, if numerator is smaller than denominator, then it is called as proper fraction. So for example, I am taking here 1 by 2. In 1 by 2, numerator is small and denominator is big. So 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. Okay. Next, improper fraction. So the fraction with larger numerator is called as improper fraction. See here 7 is the numerator and denominator is 3. Here 7 is bigger than 3. So that's why 7 by 3 is improper fraction. Okay. So next, unit fraction. So what is meant by unit fraction? Unit means 1. So the fraction with numerator 1, the fraction with numerator 1 is called as unit fraction. Okay. So next, mixed fraction. See, the fraction which contains whole number part and fractional part, it is called as mixed fraction. See, I am taking 2 5 by 7. So here 2 is whole number part and 5 by 7 is fractional part. Here we have both whole number part and fractional part. So here 2 5 by 7 is mixed fraction. Next, like fractions. So like fractions, the fractions with same denominators are called as like fractions. See here 8 by 10 and 11 by 10 I am taking. If you observe, here both are 10 and 10. Here 10 and 10 are both are same denominators. So 8 by 10, 11 by 10 contained same denominator. So it is so these two are like fractions. Okay. Next, unlike fractions. So reverse for like fractions. See, the fractions with different denominators are called as unlike fractions. See, 7 by 11 comma 9 by 13. See here 11 and 13 are not same denominators. So they are different denominators. Here 7 by 11 and 9 by 13 both are unlike fractions. See, reciprocal fractions. Reciprocal fraction means, for example, I am taking 17 by 29. So what is reciprocal fraction of 17 by 29? So 29 by 17. 29 by 17 is the reciprocal fraction of 17 by 29. So we will write numerator as denominator and denominator as numerator. So this is example for reciprocal fraction. Okay. Next, decimal fractions. Okay. See, the fractions with denominators 10, 100, 1000, etc. are called decimal fractions. See, for example, I am writing here 2 by 10, 3 by 100, 5 by 1000. Okay. These all are 2 by 10, 3 by 100, 5 by 1000. These all are example for decimal fractions. Next, equivalent fraction. So, for example, I am taking 8 by 9. So, what is equivalent fraction of 8 by 9? For example, I am taking 16 by 18. 16 by 18 is equivalent fraction of 8 by 9. So here I multiplied 8 and 9 both numerator and denominator by 2. So I got 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are 18. So when the fraction is multiplied by same number, fraction means here numerator and denominator multiplied or divided by same number, we will get equivalent fraction of it. So here 16 by 18 is the equivalent fraction of 8 by 9. So next, what is meant by complex fraction? Complex fraction means, so the fraction which contained in numerator and denominator are in both. If they contain fractions, they are called again complex fraction. So see, for example, 2 by 3 by 7 by 8. So here numerator is a fraction 2 by 3 and denominator 7 by 8 is also a fraction. Okay. So if the fraction is in this form, it is called as complex fraction.